His belly's musical.
This is fun. Let's keep playing. Okay, we'll play this game later.
This Love to Learn Elmo's so much fun. He does so many things. And if you get the app that goes with it, he does even more. Now we're gonna play with a kids game called Pie Face. This game's called Pie Face. To start, I have to put whipped cream on the hand. It's gonna smash me in the face. That looks like enough. Now we have to spin the wheel to see how many times I turn the handles. I got a number 3. Okay, let's turn them 3 times. I'm nervous. I made it through. Let's spin again. I got the number 4. Okay, let's turn it 4 times. It got me! I got pied in the face! That tastes pretty good. Whoa, that was so much fun! I love playing with toys with you. Did you like the Love to Learn Elmo? What about watching me get a pie in my face? That was crazy! Well, that was only 2 of the toys. There's 100 more on the list from Toy Notes. Click the link in the description so you can see the rest of them. Parents, guardians, grandparents, friends, make sure to subscribe to Toy Notes YouTube channel so you can see all the pros and cons of the toys your kids are asking for. And thanks again to Toy Notes for making this episode possible. I'll see you next time on Tea Time. Bye-bye!